Hello YouTube. Chachi is back with another great tutorial, and today's tutorial is about how to fix a program or an application not responding on Windows. When you try to open the application or when you are doing some activity with that specific application, it says the program is not responding or the application is not responding. So on this video, we are going to see 6 solutions to solve this problem, and this solution will work for all Windows operating system: Windows 11, Windows 10, Windows 8, and other Windows operating system. So the first solution to solve this problem is a basic solution. So when you are facing such kind of problem, restart your computer. So click on your Windows and click restart. So a quick restart can solve this problem. So after you restart your computer, if the problem is still occurring, then click on your here Windows icon again, right click on it and select here Task Manager. You can open the Task Manager here, or else you can click the search tab and type here Task Manager. So you'll find the Task Manager, then open it. And after you open it, you'll find list of applications in the process tab. Apps, here I opened Microsoft Screen, OBS, Task Manager, and Telegram Desk. So end the task of that specific program which says the program is not responding. So let's take an example. If it is Telegram, then I'm going to right click on it and select end task. So it's removed. So then close your Task Manager and reopen that specific application, and you will check whether it's saying not responding or not. So if this solution is not solving your problem, then the third solution is updating the app. Maybe it's the application is outdated. So if it is a Microsoft Store app, for example, let's open Microsoft Store and click on the search and type here Microsoft Store. So here the Microsoft Store, then I'm going to open it. So if the application is related with Microsoft Store, then click here the library and so after that here click on get updates. So after you click get updates, it will search if there is an update related with a Microsoft Store applications. It's only related with the applications that are related with Microsoft Store. So you can use by this thing, or else you can search by clicking here, and maybe it will be Paint, Video Editor, or Microsoft Photos, or any applications related with Microsoft Store. Or else you can click, for example, in my case, these applications are already installed. So I can, for example, let me open Paint, and it will show me if there is any updates. So it's saying open because it's up to date right now. So you can check applications related with Microsoft Store in order to check for updates. Or else, if your application is not related with Microsoft Store, then open that specific application. If it is Telegram, open it, then find for update inside that specific application. If it is Google Chrome or else Internet Download Manager, then open that specific application and click update on that specific application, then it will update. Or else you can search using your browser. You can use your browser and type that specific application and search for it and try for an update. So if updating is not working for you, then the fourth solution will be performing a full antivirus scan. Maybe viruses are causing this problem. So again, click here the search icon and type here Windows Security. Windows Security here, then open the Windows Security. And after the Windows Security opened, then click here Virus and Threat Protection. So after that, you will find here a scan options. So open the scan options, and here you will have different options: quick scan, full scan, custom scan, and Microsoft Defender offline scan. So select the full scan and scan your computer if there is any malicious virus, and remove that malicious virus. then check your application is working or not. So if performing a full scan is not working for you, the fifth solution is reinstalling the application. So reinstalling the application is, again, we are going to click here the search icon and type settings and open the settings. Then after the settings opened, here you will find apps. Then open the apps and you will find apps and features. Then click apps and feature. Then you will find different applications here under the apps and feature. Then click on the three dots that you want. For example, if you want to uninstall, for example, let us select here Google Chrome. Then click here the three dots and select uninstall. Then uninstall the application, then re-download it back. Maybe it will be Internet Download Manager. Then you can click here the three dots, then uninstall it, then reinstall it back to your computer and check whether the problem is solved or not. So if the problem is again occurring, then the final solution is disabling the antivirus. Most of the time it's not recommended, but sometimes antivirus will block that specific application if they think they have malicious program. So to disable the antivirus, again we are going to click the search icon and type here settings, then open the settings. Then after that, again click on here privacy and security. Then after that, click on Windows security. So after that, you will find here virus and threat protection. Open it. Then after that, you will find here virus and protection settings. So select here manage settings. So here different toggles are on: real-time protection, cloud delivery protection, automatic sample submission, and tamper protections. So turn off these things. So real-time protection is of leaving your device vulnerable. So it will make your computer vulnerable to virus and malicious program. But check it if it is related with virus by turning off your antivirus here. Turn off all four of them and check your application if the problem is related with your antivirus. So use your file and application and turn it on back again. So this is all about for today's video in fixing on how to solve an application or a program is not responding on Windows. And if this video is helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends. Thank you for watching. Chachi out.